Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming power delivery. Plug the Beat Solo 3 into a known good wall adapter with the original lightning cable for at least 15-30 minutes. While it charges, look inside the charging port for lint or debris and check the cable and adapter for frayed insulation or bent pins. Once done, try a different wall outlet and an alternate certified cable. This isolates whether the issue is the accessory versus the headphones themselves. Next, perform a power cycle and reset to clear firmware hangs. Hold the power button and volume down together for 10-15 seconds until the LED blinks or the unit restarts. Make sure to forget the Beat Solo 3 entry in your phone or laptop Bluetooth settings, then reboot that device. Once both are restarted, open the Beats app or device Bluetooth menu to repair. This sequence often fixes software-level boot failures and corrupted pairing states. If the headphones remain unresponsive after resets, inspect the ear cups and headband for swelling or damage. Stop using them if you detect battery swelling. If no visible damage but still dead, the likely cause is a failed internal battery. Contact Apple or an authorized repair center for battery replacement or service. One final troubleshooting tip. Try a slow trickle charge from a computer USB port for 1-2 hours. That can sometimes revive a deeply discharged battery enough to boot and allow diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.